How Pluto was discovered by mistake? The shocking story of Clyde Tombaugh and the search for Planet X. What if I told you that one of the most famous planets in history was discovered by accident? A young farm boy with no college degree, a homemade telescope, and a dream changed astronomy forever. But here's the twist. Pluto wasn't even what scientists were looking for. This is the unbelievable story of how Pluto was discovered by mistake. The mystery that started it all, Planet X. In the early 20th century, astronomers believed something strange was happening beyond the orbit of Neptune. Two brilliant scientists, Urbain Le Verrier and Percival Lowell, had earlier studied irregularities in planetary motion. After the discovery of Uranus and Neptune, calculations suggested there might be yet another large planet farther out. Percival Lowell became obsessed with finding this mysterious object. He called it Planet X. In 1894, he founded the Lowell Observatory in Flagstaff, Arizona, specifically to search for Planet X. For years, Lowell searched the skies, but he never found it. He passed away in 1916, and the search paused. But the story was far from over. A farm boy with a telescope. Meet Clyde Tombaugh. He wasn't born into wealth. He didn't attend a prestigious university. He grew up on a farm in Kansas. But he had passion. He built his own telescopes from spare tractor parts and carefully observed the night sky. In 1929, he sent his detailed astronomical drawings to Lowell Observatory. The observatory was impressed. At just 23 years old, Tombaugh was hired to continue the search for Planet X. He didn't know it yet, but he was about to make history. The blinking method. Tombaugh used a device called a blink comparator. This machine allowed him to compare two photographic plates of the same area of the sky taken days apart. Stars stayed in the same position, but a moving object like a planet would shift slightly. For months, Tombaugh compared thousands of stars manually. It was slow, exhausting work. Every tiny dot had to be checked carefully. Then, on February 18, 1930, he saw it. A tiny dot had moved. At first, it didn't look special. But after careful verification, scientists confirmed it was a new object beyond Neptune. On March 13, 1930, the discovery was officially announced. Planet X had been found. Naming Pluto. The new planet needed a name. An 11-year-old girl from England, Venetia Burney, suggested the name Pluto after the Roman god of the underworld. It was perfect. The planet was dark, distant, and mysterious. Interestingly, the first two letters PL also honored Percival Lowell. On May 1st, 1930, the name Pluto was officially adopted. And just like that, the ninth planet of the solar system was born. The shocking twist, a mistaken assumption. Here's where the story gets surprising. Scientists believed Pluto was massive, large enough to explain the gravitational disturbances they had observed. But decades later, better measurements revealed something shocking. Pluto was tiny. In fact, it was much smaller than Earth's moon. When NASA's Voyager 2 collected more accurate data about Neptune in 1989, scientists realized something important. There were no gravitational irregularities. The earlier calculations were wrong. That means Pluto wasn't discovered because of accurate predictions. It was found by coincidence. Yes, Pluto was discovered while searching for something that didn't exist. From planet to dwarf planet. For 76 years, Pluto was known as the ninth planet. Then in 2006, the International Astronomical Union redefined what a planet is. To qualify as a planet, an object must orbit the sun, be round, clear its orbit of other debris. Pluto met the first two conditions, but not the third. So on August 24, 2006, Pluto was officially reclassified as a dwarf planet. The world reacted emotionally. Many people were upset. Some still consider Pluto a planet in their hearts. Pluto up close. For decades, Pluto was just a blurry dot in telescopes. Then in 2015, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft flew past Pluto. The images shocked scientists. Pluto has vast nitrogen ice plains, mountains made of water ice, a heart-shaped region called Tombaugh Regio, a thin atmosphere. The tiny mistake planet turned out to be incredibly fascinating. Why this discovery matters. Pluto's story teaches us powerful lessons. Science evolves over time. Even mistakes can lead to major discoveries. Curiosity drives progress. One passionate individual can change history. Clyde Tombaugh didn't set out to discover a dwarf planet. He was searching for something bigger. But sometimes the universe rewards persistence, even when we're looking for the wrong thing. A beautiful accident. So, was Pluto discovered by mistake? Yes and no. Yes, because the predicted planet X didn't exist. But no, because Pluto was real, waiting patiently in the darkness. What began as a mathematical error became one of the most beloved discoveries in astronomy. From a Kansas farm to rewriting textbooks worldwide, Clyde Tombaugh's journey proves that greatness doesn't require perfection. Sometimes, it just requires dedication. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting, informative, and knowledgeable videos.